a new bowl for the boats to drink in water. And let's start. Look, I made a bowl. I made the trekking boat for two boats to drink water in. Do you know how I got this idea? When I was going in my gallery, I just saw two boats wandering around to find water. So I decided to make a bowl for them. Then I took a coconut shell, so it was too dull. So I decided to paint it. Here is the material I painted. First I covered the shell with brown. Then I let it dry. Then I did a design from the colorful blue and white straws. I just dipped it in paints and I just rolled them like a wheel. Now it's perfect to put the water in. So let's go, guys, and let's put the water. It looks a little deep. Mama, is that enough water? Now we'll hang it to this hook I got from my home. And be careful, guys. I need to walk slowly so the water doesn't fall out. Now let's continue hanging it. Okay, do like this.
Be careful.
I hang it on my pigeon net, and I put the down part for the rope to hang. Now let's go and put it in our gallery. So more boats can drink more water if they get more thirsty. So let's go, guys. See, guys, I put it. Let's wait for boats to come.